Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview on a Monday, May 25th, 2015. Traders, we start our week with a bunch of holidays. The London session is closed today due to May Day, and the US session is closed today due to Memorial Day. So not a day to be trading a live account. Please be trading on a demo account. There's no volume in the market today. Everybody's home having a barbecue. Traders, remember this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, we're coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, and we've got bright blue sunny skies, and I gotta tell you, white sandy beaches, and it's been hot. Had some rain over the weekend, that was kind of nice. Quite enjoyed it, to tell you the truth. And but we're back to roasting again. Beautiful day this morning, as I do this in the Asia session. So it is morning for me. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday. I'm your moderator for the Market Opening Preview Series every single trading day before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in 2006 and 2008. I retired from a wonderful career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, I do trade every single trading day, not necessarily take a trade every day, but I'm in the markets, I'm listening to fundamentals, and I'm watching what's going on, looking for opportunities and probabilities on my side to be profitable in my trades. And yes, traders, I do lose trades. Trust me, I do lose trades. I'm not no guru, and you haven't seen my mugshot on CNBC at that desk being asked any questions. All right, enough about me. Let's get the legal stuff going. This is our Forex risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex market. Traders, most importantly, please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. You shouldn't have that problem today because you should be on a demo account. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Today's commentary, not much to say. Friday worked out very nice, really nice. The dollar was strong. I think 5 out of 6 of our trade plans worked like perfectly right to our profit zones. Really nice. I cannot emphasize to you traders today, please do not trade live accounts. It's so tempting to trade these days where these major markets are closed because there is movement in the market. But you will get whipsawed with one word from one person or one person with a lot of money. So please trade a demo account. My suggestion is turn your computer off and have another day off. And 24 hours from now, we'll start fresh. Because that's what I'm going to do. As soon as I'm finished, I'm turning my computer off. And I'm going to enjoy a day off. All right, traders, let's take a look at some 60-minute Forex charts. Here's some trade plans we're going to take a look at for today and see how things went. And you'll see how Friday's trades work. And as usual, let's start with the euro dollar. The euro dollar continues to be extremely bearish. You can see by the period separators, look at that down move, just absolutely beautiful, right off the 200 exponential moving average. Just absolutely gorgeous. We'd like to see a pullback to 1.1046, and we'll take profit at 1.098. And that's a nice 50 pip trade if it works, right? That's the big thing, if it works. I am not looking to counter trend trade this. I'm not looking to take this to the upside. All I want to do is sell it. Let's take a look at the pound. Yes, it is a different chart, but it looks the same. Again, just a beautiful down move on Friday. A lot of pips there, traders. And we're just looking for a pullback at this 23.6 at 55.23. And we'll take profit at 54.47. Just a really nice trade. But we need the pullback. And we know the pound does not like giving pullbacks. My guess is that we're probably going to see just a lot of no price action today and little bumps and humps here and there. And we're going to be sideways probably most of the day with our currency pairs. Here's our Aussie dollar. This is probably the one exception that might end up working into a good trade today. We need a pullback, though. We'd like to see this pullback to the 38.2 at 0.7852. And then we'll take it down and we'll take profit at 0.78. Like, I'd take it at 78, like 20 or 15. I wouldn't wait for it to get all the way down to 7,800 or 7,805 because you know there are pending orders there to counter trend this to the upside. So we need the pullback to get our entry. And with the Aussie being a commodity pair, anything can happen. So if any trade can work, this would probably be the one I would look at to see to work. But no, I am not trading on a live account today. Here's our Euro Aussie. Still bearish, but this chart still looks pretty ugly. If you look left of the chart, you can just see all this junk moving around here. And, now it's giving us higher lows. Now we got a doji as an ending candle. And that candle is only an hour old. So, we're in Asia. And Asia is trading, by the way. The markets in Asia are open. And, here we go. But I don't expect a lot out of the Euro Aussie today unless something happens with the Aussie. And truly, that's the only pair that I think that if something's going to happen, that's where it's going. All right, let's take a look at our good friend, the Euro. Yeah, nice and bearish, below the 200 exponential moving average at 134.71. We do want to see a pullback in this pair. There's no problem giving us pullbacks. Go back to that 134, 13400 really, and take this to the downside. Even if it went to that 23.6, you know what? I would still take it down. That's still going to be a 30 pip trade down to 133.42. So you still got a good trade there. I wouldn't do it now. Look at those candles. You have 3 indecision candles back to back here. So this is not the time to enter a trade to the short side. Again, with these holidays and London closed, I don't think anything's going to happen today. And our last pair of the day is the New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar is bearish, and this is a counter-trend trade. And I don't normally put counter-trend trades because I don't trade counter-trend trades very often. Very rarely do I take counter-trend trades unless I have my scalp hat on and my scalp strategy. However, this is really serious support here at this price level, and I'm looking for this to bounce. So if it's going to bounce, if it gets up to that 0.7316 area, this is really a good spot to take this and take this up. And it could head up back to that 200 exponential moving average. Again, this is another commodity pair, but we're already in Asia, and there is no data out of New Zealand today. And the dollars, it's all electronic trading because, I don't think there's going to be any traders out there today, especially Memorial Day in the United States. It's a very, very, very big holiday. And trust me, traders will not be in front of their computers. Me being an American and living there for many years, they will not be in front of their computers. So we'll see what happens. It'll be interesting to see 24 hours from now what this looks like. Traders, I have to say, I think this is probably the shortest video I've done since doing the market opening preview series, but it is what it is. Traders, I'd like to thank, on behalf of myself, William Guild, I'd like to thank you for joining me on this Monday as we recognize the Eurozone for May Day and we recognize the United States for Memorial Day. Traders, enjoy your holiday and with family, friends, and loved ones. Traders, remember this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. And please come visit us at fxclearing.com for your trading solutions. Traders, have a great trading day, and we'll catch you before the London Open after the next Asia session. Coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Take care, and bye-bye.